what's up? This is Maliha and I'm here with the top 5 gifting items from our All That Jazz store. So let's just start with number 5. So number 5 is this scrapbook right here. It's called Our Story So Far scrapbook, and it has all these illustrated pages from inside where you can put all your details and pictures, and it's completely illustrated. And you can see all the pages on our website. It has these similar. This one says some of the reasons I love you, and look, this is how it is. So number 4 is this cardboard briefcase right here. This is handmade, and this comes along with a music box and a miniature notebook and a complimentary card. That's number 3. We have more designs in the music boxes. Like right now I have these 2 designs. One says love you to the moon and back, and the other one says can't help falling in love with you. So we have more designs on our website. You can head to our website and check all these designs. Okay, I'm gonna play this one for you guys, so I really think I should. Moving on to number 2, this one is the Sentiments in a Bag deal, and it's available on our website. And well, this deal comes with a strip card and a mini cork bottle that you can customize with your own image photograph. This is the strip card. You can even change the design of the strip card. We have one more here. We have actually 3 options available for this one, and well, we are planning to add more designs for this. So this one is called the Perfect Match card, and this is the Retro Love card. And well, you can purchase these cards separately as well from our website.
And here comes the cutest thing about this deal. This one comes with this mini cork bottle, and all you have to do is give us your image photograph, and we will convert it into a Polaroid and add it inside this mini cork bottle. You can even select the color of the glitter. We have 2 options available, silver and golden.
Here's number 1. This is called the MIB book. It is available on our website, and you can purchase it by inboxing us on Instagram and Facebook. And well, this book is completely handmade and hand painted. It comes along with this little compartment right here that has this mini cork bottle inside. You can get your image inside this bottle. Has these quotes written over it. You can see the details on our website. So that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.